Hello guys, this is LC Media. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to do this incredible intro that you saw in the beginning of the video using various plugins. First, you drag a title onto your timeline. You see it's very long, so you cut it short, delete the second half, right click onto the first half and make a new compound clip, and then press Command R and speed up the clip until it's around 200%. You see it's better, but then it's flat. So you double click to the compound clip, drag the glitch effect from Cinepunch and put it onto your clip, and you see it's much better now. And then go back to the original timeline, drag a glitch transition from the titles and transition pack and shorten the transition, and drag a second title onto your timeline behind your transition, and then drag one more glitch effect onto this second title. You see it's very glitchy, you can't really see the word, so you cut it into half. And on the second half, please deselect build in and build out. Deselect the effect as well. So you cut it one more time. So the third one, you shorten it to like this, and then reselect build out. And go back to the first part, select build in. And then in the middle, you cut it again. On the third clip, you put another glitch effect onto it, and put the fourth glitch effect onto the ending of these 4 clips. After you're done with everything, you can choose to make it a new bigger compound clip to make it neater, and drag all the glitch sound effects onto the timeline, rearrange them to make it better, and then there you go. You have a very cool futuristic intro. And that's all for today. Please like and subscribe. Bye bye.